Love Delivery. Today is February 10 and today is Monday, first work day of the week. And kayo po ay aming inaanyayahan to go with us as we celebrate a birthday ng mag-asawa. Bali, isa po itong advanced birthday celebration ng kanyang mama and a belated celebration naman po ng kanyang papa. And we are headed to Singao, Kidapawan City. This is our Balindog branch and this is our car surprise prepared for the couple. So sana matuwa sila and sana naman ma-surprise sila, maging successful ang ating surprise delivery. Galing po ito sa kanilang lovely and gorgeous na mga daughters. I am your surprise sweetheart, saying thank you so much for all your love, support, and prayers. And samahan po ninyo kami as we deliver love, as we spread positivity, and as we reconnect families. I am your surprise sweetheart. God bless and gracias. Dito na tayo sweetheart sa ating location. This is Purok Saging. This is part of Singao. And the target house is there. That is Roque Residence. At excited na ako para mag-meet si Mami Michelle and si Daddy Dennis. So, sana ma-surprise natin sila. I think from here, from where I'm standing right now, I think it's about siguro mga 15 to 20 meters. So, tara na. Suppose na natin ito. Chinek lang natin kung ready na ba. And sana 2 souls na naman yung pasaya natin today. So, let's go na! Hello! Maayong hapon! Sir Dennis and Ma'am Michelle! Lapit na kayo! Huwag nang aayaw-ayaw! Good afternoon, good morning! Happy birthday po sa inyo! Advance and belated. Tara na po, wala nang patupik-tupik dahil alam na ninyo kung ano at bakit nandito kami. Mami Michelle and Daddy Dennis, come on! Kami po ay nagpaputusan lamang, so dito po tayo. Sige! 3, 2, 1.
Nag-vibrate.
Happy birthday po, Mami! Dito po kayo, lapit po kayo.
Wow!
Dito po, sir. Dito po, Mami. Walang mas malakas na na music. Yung mga anak niyo po, sama po kayo dito, ma'am. Ma'am, this is po for you. Surprise po. I think ito na lang ang pahawa ko kay sir kasi blue para meron din siyang bouquet. Pakibigay po ng panyo kay mama. She's starting to cry. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, ma'am. Belated and advance. Today is February 10. Today is Monday. Happy and belated birthday para kay Papa and happy and advanced birthday para kay Mama. Papa, sorry na. Late na naman yung birthday greeting namin. Pero di ba mas special naman kapag may aftershock gaya nito. Ha ha ha. Hope you had the best birthday ever. Full of good food, good vibes. And syempre, walang stress. Alam mo naman na love ka namin and kahit minsan late ang bati namin, isa na maramdaman mo na very special ka sa aming lahat. Mama, ikaw naman ang next. Advance happy birthday sa pinaka-gorgeous, pinaka-loving, and grabe, pinaka-makulit. Char lang na mama sa buong mundo. Sana mas dumami pa yung blessings mo and syempre, mga surprises, mga gifts para sa'yo. Enjoy your special day dahil deserve na deserve mo yan ng bonggang-bongga. Mahal na mahal namin kayong dalawa. We love you very much. And kahit magkasunod kayo ng birthday, promise hindi ko kayo pag-iisahin ng regalo. Pero depende na lang din po daw sa budget. Ha ha ha. Love from your beautiful and gorgeous, loving daughters.